Ahwefo amohwen baby amohwen bia mama achi efimampo akua. Yes, ene yaba ya sheda ba efuma nkasa se na besua de mo amohwe pictures and videos amohwe from the beginning na ene ya sheda ba se ba be di vegetable farm ho nkomo na ene ye ne ye prosper oba mampo ngasa no bia friend prosper sa nso no bia nim ne so friend prosper ena ye nua bere malensa odon so we je go no we nani ato nchenga ase open ni boni we fa boni so bende ni na wo content media ya ba se besom na ya ba besom want to ni na vegetable farmers nti enkomo ne ba be di o say mo amohu from the onset say baby ankomo no erefa enti memo akwaba prosper wezo
yeah.
Na bia boko de.
Oh,
ya de nyame ase. Ahye kon. Oh, bia boko.
Fine.
Oh, ya de nyame ase. Enti ya na ye ba be di vegetable farming. Ho nkomo. Yes, de menya mutu yedi tu ni nyina bo menya ne tenten so na ya che 1 part 2 part 3 part kosi part be 28. Let's start in prosper so.
Hey.
Prosper.
Yes.
Me nim say there be me starting fuel. Ya ka prosper here na.
Oh. Prosper. I mean say obi odi.
Okay. Inti wo sha odi. Odi pa on. Okay. Yo. Inti ya ka vegetable farming na. What sha accident?
If you go directly right.
Now about how many years?
Let me miss. If you are not 25, 30 years.
And now buy. Do I be how many years on Uncle? Been about 10 years. Oh, okay. Okay. Into your brothers they will buy no. Shasi then.
Oh, first no more do me buy na. Me jam goji.
Okay.
Oh, I don't pour it.
Okay.
Me jam adi. At me share the yam no me nyeska. So no. No almost so much vegetable. I say no. This year my buy vegetable.
Okay.
My jadi yam. Na me feel vegetable na say. Me bua wo kakra. Na me bradi. Aha mama.
Okay.
Na me fiase. Me fiase yes adi yam.
Okay. Inti what friend then? Obra wankasa winya wo place in how many years?
Oh, minya be afili be yan fan say 8 years.
Be 8 years ni. Oh, okay. Inti me about so me nko minya very malensa so. Ashe kon. We started vegetable farming. How many years?
Asana meka sano mfenchi ama afefo nyina. Me share vegetable as ya ba no say. Me di bi ho wi mankasa am fa me adwuma no de be 5 years.
Oh, okay.
You be 5 years.
Okay.
Didi ba adwuma no so no e den a obedi obi achi.
Okay.
Yo ntia kese enkoma abra kwa me agbono.
Okay.
Ono na ono so di na achi.
Okay.
O chem bi nkun ni fa nyade am so nde. So na me so de bombe bra.
Oh, okay.
And also you go sing akra.
Okay.
You go sing obisa me here.
Okay. Mami misao. The first time we di o master chi ekọ afum. Eno no koye adwuma. First harvest by we ni say wonsa wombi. How was the feeling like?
Oh, feeling you say dey be great.
Oh, okay.
Tell say obi ehun sky ni eji see money I read.
Oh, okay.
Obi ehun
into mo first harvest in sky buy.
Oh, sky beba sky so dey buy.
Oh, okay.
Kakra de unso benya.
Oh, okay.
Fa test munya bia de whatever ma ma unso ni bi.
Okay.
Inti sky dey ba de a obi ehun eji.
Into that first we memory no munya ni ye pa.
Oh, munya ni ye. Because I make I say wetu aka say na mini fan.
Okay.
But that's can be cut off fan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bravo bia.
Odo who shema.
Yeah, Odo who shema.
Yeah,
man.
Okay. Prosper.
Oh yeah.
The same question I made the man. Lensan. Me throw the same question. First time oh brothers, what one start vegetables. I would do when you coba. What started oh first study our bar bed so I be in the daddy.
Oh.
First time our bar bed so you might be no what do you?
Oh, maybe I have a trouble with them. You got them.
Into first way you got them.
You got them. I have both holes in the cabbage.
Oh, okay. Enti, 1 year said you many years cannot way harvest and buy no. How was the feeling like your first time?
Oh, I am there.
So
you say, and I'm a yamadi. No. Must come with saying yamadi. I want manager Jumano.
oh, okay.
I want to manage Jumano.
Okay.
I'm up to now. Call me.
Okay. Wow. Leza, first time I was starting, what started or then so? First Juma I was starting.
First time Juma I shall send there. We shall saw lettuce.
Enti, mama Mr. Sase mo say. Say nkofo tena baby ka say na say no. Na vegetable farming sika nimu bia adwuma wo mododo adwuma wo mi yefia adwuma like asem okay na negative all in the end say sika nimu prosper that's na bega cho.
Hey, you never can ask us a vegetable skin. You man is go. Skin man can engine them up to now. I saw a family radar. This go. Man, Eddie Bobra.
Okay.
This go.
Okay. Lenza, that same question me push it to you. And we have an adbeba.
Sana minu ya kai. Sika Adibia bia when you down bia would be our focus wide you would down. We were yet to be fun crab at 3 o'clock. I'm at you.
Okay.
Yeah, you touch be.
Hey. At 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock I'm at you.
You be do.
Okay. It's no a jumano. Say the be nima da. A young focus to be a CB.
Oh, okay.
It is Saturday party view.
Oh, okay.
Saturday.
Oh, okay. Prosper. Say in case say was as is you be say. Ye ka se yere ye ebia rough estimate say we ye vegetable farming na ahi na utumi nya per harvest ebia bibi say cabbage we be say cabbage on this land we friend by the time I harvest and be obe harvesting ahi sa na utumi nya.
Oh, it depends when shia be born bia okwa no sudia obenyeska fine.
Okay.
But to ko na o yire ohun ye adwuma no. Sese na ese we na onye ne ohwe.
Okay. Okay. Enti adwuma den ebi ni wen.
Aso sorry ntem aba. Oba aso check onyama no say ati ne ati ana. Ebi ho mo atumi wurem. On check so ohun se mo wurem.
Into about checking in our
woman and ma. Wow, one of us over action.
Okay.
Say, I'm one of Busui, my deno. No, I check it. No, boss.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I told John a Kedia Maza. Well, a scout is Shamukra.
Okay.
I saw year old. My dear, now year old, dear. When you're your profit.
Okay. Adwuma will start here according to commotion. What shall I say? Na has there been any season why ya sebe wabokada
vegetable their own work.
Hey, fertilizer ne near mountain
eso nyoska eso boka kra onyahwe obeso nyoska when come in the eso
inti obi kas vegetable farming ka woman
me Master na make.
Oh, okay.
Esa. Me yes. Yire me hu se me nti me anya dia me ya boka.
2 year more kakurada.
Iska de esa me.
Oh, okay.
Iska bia me di shemu de dia me nya.
Wow. Okay, very great. Lenza, what's your vegetable farming as? Has there ever been a timer why ya waka se wabokada?
Send me a pen kind of so you don't know you know in here. I had the Aboka. Ubinya, Uska, the Uramadi, Ubinya, mouth of one Subinya. No crown of a catcher.
Obanya.
Obeto fertilizer. Obeto Drew.
You don't go over.
And it's a make us in Bissell.
And that.
Yan farmer say, Yan Sabang Baba Buenga, you need problem.
Okay.
Sabang Mansua, you need
problem. Yeah.
Because you mother.
Yeah.
What must say?
Okay.
Namdo and Sayan Kwan. But normally it is a cool be Monica cook. Near this send it. Okay. Aquavina said, what do you Kwanga? You. A Sayan Kwan.
Okay. Okay.
It's about the Buenga.
Okay.
You, sir. One month, yeah. You,
sanity.
Sanity.
Okay. We what friend then? Me asking. We start here vegetable farming. Season bang na. Wa show near Marcus. Ay, I feed in Yamis wa memodia. Why she a baby sada?
Oh, me she a baby sada, but I know you won't say better was your time one me to me. That time on says that time need do. And only one with my fe. With your phones and another by market to Mamba. Ofra marketing and core market. It is a core market dear. Can use a farmer well on so hand. Was on over vegetable. By Nina Mono, you will ube also.
Okay. Prosper.
Oh, yeah.
As someone maybe say lens and also may pushy the same question about. Has there ever been a season like that for you?
Yeah, it's true.
So
na many an can. Don't obey your man. Don't want season. The man be fair.
Okay.
Sataman marketing no slow. And there was season be also. We are not to me but gang. Ti no mo na adwene. Ti se won yire won ho obo so dura. Onya. We are no bo nsu no ko banya bi ni. E wo so bre. Etumi koko nsu kura
sure
sir
sana nsu ni dry season
obi a pension otan
ti etumi sorry 2 o'clock na yaba last time me buy na na me ja no ho class na me buy me ja no water kura de ina be sa da be ho sa ko fie me sorry ba no be 3 o
buy no water
kura water class na be buy na be so no adu e anfa ina be da be ho biti ma je de ka be so me go fie koda like this is sorry them remember water down me ba lo water so that water me jira chiwa be tik pak me say go that sorry them
wow
ila be down me ko nti sana juma na tini nti won yire won wa onya awu yire won se wo be yem kwa da obanya
okay lensa marketing ni tongu no problems ben sa na to dey you am face
ni face problem you face ni be say we are from market to man so no so enko on side o so be catch you say isi anu na my slow nti efe no e ba na sa the ss bia obenya 1 cedi a efe nema no ton ba be style nti obenya be say bia 70 pesos na efe wenya offer kakreska wenya o seed kakreska na efe kakra so dey chop money efe o san dey foforo
okay
nti edu market ni dey ade ba isi anu dey yame adom e kon kakra okay nti ye be fa ne sa na emom na ha mtitiru ni say sanka abang no ma bam se bia wo pe warehouse bi
okay
na ka yen no yi fan say vegetables na ye organ nyina no se betuma keep bi wo ho van say ni anwo chiri bi ma ye betuma ton se na be say we fumu no na ka eko warehouse
okay
ka ho ye ne beje ho
okay
even crazy e ka ekuapem north krana
okay
ekuapem north and south krana mampon fukrampo no ekuapem south krana getum se mampon the vegetable dey
okay
title ye ne ekurem oh you
obviously man obviously cabbage acho
yan ni ekura vegetables you
wow
say man no start cabbage
what must it no ekura pema obi e no betimi mampon vegetables
okay
and this be ka cha say aban bemu a fine wa memu nso a
hello see you
tawa ye title no na aban ma
yeah
what must it no obemu a fine wa mema still ye kun ani
okay
man dey be cause
oh okay
but omre
okay
na man to yi man
So enti say oba be start farming na. Besa was start obi person start. Sky no here and so I started vegetable farming. Say me say where do you kokumba? For example, open say what start here no. Me say also lettuce. Yeah. Open say what start here no. I don't know how much money do you need?
I know to me nya. What to me nya be 1,500 and 2,000 over to me.
1,500.
Only 2,000 but to me rough.
Enti you find say all things being equal, bibia ko yama fe. Why you don't why invest 2,000? I na betimi anya.
Oh, so marketing a year pa dia over to me anya be 5,000.
Wow.
But me anya 5,000.
In how many months and how many weeks?
Oh, 1 month 2 weeks.
Kokumban.
Oh, 1 month 2 weeks. But me anya 5,000.
Oh, nice.
So marketing there the dia.
Okay. I no juruska.
Oh, nyame adom yeguzo.
Yes, so higher way.
Sai galamse. Ita was galamse.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
There be. Sir. Na what can then say mo kasi mo ye anase obi kasi bia owo baby opeso ordinary skaba na say mo ye vegetable ni bi e manu a possible sir. Say ebia me won kran ebia mpese vegetable business
demfa
ano de anyi
aden
mi yada ana mi mde wom.
Okay.
So me fia anya na me fia sa anya afena ma ba fia simple.
Okay.
Me yeda afena me sa response.
Okay.
Ana fe bia o de wasase na ba na be ka chem say me ye no na bia tua me ke month bia month meje be 5,000 a month. But say untua
Ampa. Okay.
But 6 weeks per na wasa be 5,000 ya. Na tua me ke month 5,000 ya. O se untua dia na o de fa uska. Na me so me ye fa so ni me.
Okay.
Je no de emfa.
Okay. Mu face as some difficulty. Mu problem was as some.
Problem was as some kakra.
Okay, Lenza. Catch them. What's your experience?
Problem you want to say, who out here as if you man can see me.
Oh,
and you back. And if one of my was if you also are seeing at home. Let's say uja vegetables now here. Let's say compare as if you be.
Obian compensate you.
Oh, compensation be any baby ever.
Oh,
and so I say you would now you man was. And then you would na ba so bi o to make just say come at home. Then abe. Ni oba na say so water so no onimu. Nti no the machine be so ba say say dey fa oni am fi ase so. Be dwiri asase. Ni wa dwiri. Nti e fe ba na sara na e fi so san compare asase o fa. And no cry na be abenante akokra na de cry so easy. Be no cry nka ban be ma yi because o ma moto.
Okay.
Nti be ye de be ko. Can you see pa? About the new because you one na ofidi or mine.
Okay.
And also on why?
Okay.
It is as a 7 day you face problem to be.
Okay.
So I send you baby na say. You know you sabe kan cry, you know you mejo.
Prosper. As I say, what are some of the difficulties how to be facing?
Oh. Baby, I want there. If you see a demand, we are talking.
Okay. But ebi a what tete one am for away cabbage
ba meti se o mo pa mo obiri mu na de mo ji o ma se fi o mo se mu na
as say no as vegetables here na say no man ponfo here but as what they call different towns mo mu no here as observation we my here Adentina Ebansa.
So what they call different towns.
Different towns. Say, Ebuwa, or a Mamponi or Mampon, right? But if you know you were at the Quanto, Adentina.
The be also and Kayenya market to Hanuma. I bet me a boy.
Market say,
the say baby ever tongue I didn't. Because we are now the co marketer. But men yes can street. Yenya bibi sanso abetu me abua.
Yenya reko Madina. Yenya Madina.
Madina everything Accra.
Everything Accra reject here. Nefi.
Afene ya wo.
Aboyenso.
Akwepi no fa enya market kasi bi ohanu ma akabetini aboa.
Oh, okay. For vegetables. Okay. Oh, okay. Very well. Oh, and also a bad idea, sir.
Oh, a bad idea.
And it's a bad idea, sir.
Zano pa uba have a senior ma.
Sir, we are marketing.
Ahai.
Yeah.
Ya ko nya fe no wasana kwa akra. Yenye bisa babuaye.
Na osha se obi ba se ode no besi wo okura ni sika obepe se obesi market wo ha mfa mra no nta
ya fa land no mra no
debi mfa ne ma no mra se na akan
yo
se ebi a store wo ha mo pese
beton aman
beton aman but mu ye sure say mu disappoint say any pan say
David beton aman say nyeska
Aha me fa de kwa mintua transportation.
Okay.
Intino ebe me de kra because ebia ebe komadina na ye 2 cedi ho na robeto no 1 cedi 80% kra na me okay.
Okay.
Because fa so ntini edigwa.
Okay.
Ba ha bi madina ana kra reject empe. Na nso ye ho akire ho ha.
Okay.
Ntino so ye ha ye pa.
Okay. Okay.
market.
Munya market. Wow.
You say comment section because I don't so but the part also. Comment section because I don't market but
I'm say so mo bu ebi o we.
O fie yes.
Dan me ko check wa me say ebi no di vegetable cabbage na dey gugu ho na dey me say yeah juma be koso.
Oh okay.
O ya me de pa.
Okay.
Ti o se Saturday o be say bi. Saturday we ya nti bisu me say akọ check ka hwe say Namanda kode ana. Okay.
Emu ya do eni be kire.
Me obro bi o so me bubu ade akogu aye se. Obi be to be.
Oh nice. And me fia me de obro be ko fie. Me bu be ko de ku be 68. We your friend me nya nti say what say baby wo wa vegetables ni nsu no you got tabunsu. Ene ade. Na mabeto mo ha di me bisa mo. Mampong mo amoye vegetables nsu ben na se ana ya mo use got tabunsu mo use bia.
Oh there be o nsu e use no dey fi abunu mo ha no say o. Okay. Wo po no mo ha. Okay. Ti o pe a ayenko na ayenko chiro be bia nsu no won nsu aye Saudi aduan ya num ye bibia no na dey wata ya nyama. Okay.
Nti yenkwe
ya be chiro be bia nsu no won
Nti insu nini?
No, insu nini yo.
But tianka sa wa bunu mo top.
Okay.
Ba ha ne ya chokina. Ye de ya juma no.
We ko etimi no.
Oh wow.
When you say insu fi. It ya boom.
Wow.
It ya boom.
Mo fi ansu na.
Ebe ye den ene ye diga nsu. Ebe water vegetables ye na ye di.
Nsu ye di.
Ye da mistake in da. Maybe Minister Bakoto cabbage wa kra o. Otwitwa no. Otwitwa cabbage na fe na nyi. Okay. Nyi. Mapati nyi. Yes, cabbage nim. So ye gata wonsu ana wasa wori gunsu. E be dey be nyi akose cabbage nim. What about it? It's yen no ye dey papa. Okay. Because we come mountains driving mount the Kwapekwa na ye people no so dey wo. Na got ye ni gata kasi o. I so fi be from every day. Ye gata na ye bia dey mu da ho. Sir. Bon kan bia mu da ho. It's yana nini ya ono mu. Enye suti ye edwon ye bra idan ye bo. Atwa na ye dey ya. Ni si e papa. Oba na ye no edwan ye su bia. Nti no ye tumi fa gata mu su. Ne ma fini wo mu na ye be sagu no ba no say yenua ye tam yenua si.
Fresh water.
Ye di papa na ye edwon.
Oh okay.
Ye di papa.
Okay, enti si ano ma misamu. Wiase na ewon wiase wa adwenkyere bi fa kuaye ho. Se kuaye de ase yefia adwuma, kuaye de ye ka kuaye nya adwuma di kura na wo se wo de hu hyemu adɔ de se ene se wonam krom na se wa hie obi no wo sa adwene ya prosper. Den asem na betumi de akansa na adwene.
Oh. Aka chime say me man example. The man kasa man example. Okay. Because me akuadwuma na me nya metumi hwe me ba.
Oh okay.
Akuadwuma na ma baabi me da sisi me dan na me dam.
Wow.
Mana na me ye na me di ye. Nya
vegetable farming na wo dey sidan.
Me dey single room bi a me dem sisi.
Wow.
Nti ma kire ni se onhwe. Okay, adwuma no na me ye na me di ye sa nyama no.
Okay,
adwuma na nya adwuma bi a adwuma bi a ye bad.
Okay.
Won ka so ba wa funum na hu. Onyama no kran, nya obi na be ka cho sorry ntan na bra. Wo se na onyama no sisi wona ade na. Nyama na ngasa ba mura o. Se bra. Be adwuma no.
Okay.
Sa na adwuma no tini.
Okay.
Adwuma no wankasa wo ba ye example ma wo answer.
Okay. Lenza. The same question met to am. Then asem na se we hio nipa se ya. Wo be ka kire na asa na adwene.
Sana me ka no. Ya ye na de se bo ho a. Bo ho a. Maybe dem so na pa me hu dade. Aso wa na mani agi. Ene me fu matare ni.
Okay.
Me quote ya me see ya.
Okay.
Na mani agi because eno na ma mska. Me fara ade a asema fa pen. Na me fa so nso a asema fa pencil. What must?
Okay.
Nti no kuaye ne de no so be ye kua no ma na ba mu.
Okay.
Kuaye so on fa so.
Bebre.
Na wanya wo de fa wanya fa so.
Aduane de obenya bie.
Okay.
Wanya hwe kwa no eye ne awu bi. Nti kuaye de so on fa so.
Okay.
Sanka be ya mo dom na fa won chipem.
Okay.
Ya de. Enye den. Na wo tie chi na wo tie ye.
Okay.
Eye mre pa. Ya de ene adwuma mi say.
Very well. Eti final question. Prosper. Say na se wiase nyina pese what no kware baako. Efa kuaye ho. Efi okuafo anu ya. No kware ben efa kuaye ho na abeka kire wiase.
Ejo de. Wan kasa hwe wiase sisi. Ebia no na ebi pa. Onya kwe nyama dia. Adwame na obedi.
Okay.
Tenyo obi na be kire wan kasa hwe. Nti we dey hu hia se be kasa bebre kura.
Okay.
Nga do hwe yes ni nyama e koso. Hu say yes. Se na tinin.
Okay. Okay. Yo. Lenza. Se wiase na pese what no kware baako fi. Okuafo anu fa kuaye ho. No kware ben sana be ka kire.
Hu say na me eke no aro hwe wiase a. No ti aban adwuma mu no. Kan ye pa no ti aban adwuma mu no so director wa adwuma mu. Wa pon awi akofie. Obekọ dan ke wo ko na yanwe no ko di. Ko di. Na yan wa na ye ni na ye. Ti kuya de. So on paso.
Ba.
Wo ka kese na wo ti mu no. Wa tare kakaka na wa hye ne wo sigi de wa fura kakaka na de wani mu no.
Asa o ya obi o.
Kuya me obi a kuya. Kuya na aduana ntino. Kuya ne de so kuya ni ka say onye kuya.
Sentra your birthday or your din.
Guy, anything you can
do your birthday.
Or come back your man.
It's a birthday. Oh, what's your birthday?
Okay, a food birthday. Bye. Save your parliament for what one.
Yeah, the birthday.
You have fun with your
I had the bank about the day to I don't know.